In step 1, use MindReader AI to see which new products are in high demand, if only they existed. Now you know these new products you create will sell. In step 2, next, use MindReader AI to create high quality info products that gives the market what it is begging for. You now have a killer income producing info product. In step 3, now, post your info product in this 130 million plus customer marketplace. You start making money from sales on the #1 worldwide marketplace. You start receiving royalty income for life. You don't need a sales page or funnel. You don't need a merchant account or Stripe. You don't need to buy traffic, the traffic is free and plentiful. You don't need any additional cost. You can do this for free and from anywhere in the world. Ensures you win the info product game. MindReader AI understands what people want, saving you from wasted efforts. With 130 million monthly visitors, getting traffic for your new info products is easy now. MindReader AI writes your sales page for you, ensuring it convinces visitors to buy and you get paid. You don't need to buy a domain name or host a sales page. It is all done for you. This will always have opportunities. With countless niches and info products, it's wide open. The info product industry is booming, growing rapidly. Even YouTube plans to add an info product section. But we target an even better market. With the info product world projected to be an $840 billion industry by 2030. With Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi and even YouTube getting into the game. With the value of specialized knowledge shooting through the roof. You can live free. No more dealing with a boss you can't stand. No more dealing with that nasty traffic day in and day out. No more stress over how you're going to pay your bills. No more worry about the future and how you're going to manage it. You are now free to live and free to enjoy life your way, the way you've always wanted to enjoy it. This is an incredible find, the power to easily create lots of info products using this simple formula. Use MindReader AI to know the topics this marketplace needs, right now. Use MindReader AI to easily create, in-demand, info products on those topics fast. Post these info products to a worldwide audience, 130 million visitors per month. And make ongoing passive income for years to come. One of their info products earned $140 million in sales. It's true, just one info product made a sales of $140 million. This means, you're one info product away. This is an incredible business and you need to be in it. All you do is follow the simple steps. In step 1, the MindReader AI system shows you the exact new info products that are in high demand. In step 2, use the MindReader AI system to easily create high-quality info products for those topics. And you do this super fast, by using AI. In step 3, post the info product in front of 130 million monthly visitors and make an ongoing recurring income for years and years to come. If you buy using my link in the description, I'll give you free bonuses. Simply take a screenshot of your purchase. DM me on Instagram to claim them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.